Hello and welcome to MFA 608, and this is the class that goes from August to October, Southern New Hampshire. I am your instructor, Jason Lloyd Morgan. You can call me Professor Morgan, that's cool. Alright, anyway, so this video right here is basically just a quick introduction for this course. The way this can be laid out is every single, beginning of every single module, I will have detailed instructions that walk you through exactly what we're doing, how to do the assignments, some recommendations and suggestions. I'll also have some other videos that'll be posted to help with different concepts. But this video right here is just a general, what is this class about? What are we doing? Well, I don't understand. Okay, well, it's very simple. This one, we really focus on the concepts of editing and coaching in really a lot of different ways. Basically, when anyone thinks of a word, okay, a word is just an idea made manifest either verbally or written down. And so editing to you may mean something different than to me. You know, so if I were to ask, the students in this class, what's the difference between editing and revising? Some may say, well, they're the same things. And some people say, well, they're not the same thing, and then they may have a different thing. So really what we're looking at is the definitions of the different types of editing that we can do both in creative writing and in academic writing, and the different terms that are often used in the business. Because whenever you work in a business setting, different terms may take on a different meaning based on that. The other aspect of this class that we're going to be working on is coaching. Basically how to give feedback, or how to work with people, and also either from the editing side or from the writing side. So if your main focus is on writing and you're going to be working with an editor, well, this is great to learn about how the coaching side of things works, and that they'll be working with you. Or if you are experienced and you're going to be coaching others, gives you some techniques. Part of this class is to really kind of understand how these different concepts can be used in a business setting. How you can actually apply these to what your goals are, both short-term and long-term, concerning what you're going to be doing. You may want to be a writer, but you'll do some editing on the side. You may want to be a teacher, but you want to do some writing on the side. Either way, what I found to be very beneficial in this class is that it'll give you a perspective that no matter what you're going to be doing in the writing field, having an idea of these concepts will help you be a better you. So there's that. And one last little final bit of whatever. So again, these are graduate level classes, and honestly, you're spending the time, you're spending the money, investing this in yourself. You're going to get out of this class what you put into this. I am here to be your cheerleader. I'm here to help you the best I possibly can, to give you feedback, to kind of nudge in the right direction, to be here if you have questions and stuff like that. Okay, and there are those who are going to do the very minimum amount of work and turn in stuff at the very last minute, and they're going to pass this class. Okay. Well, guess what? Congratulations, okay? But then there are those who are actually going to take the time to look at the directions at the beginning of the module, kind of maybe contemplate on it, take their time, think about it, get the stuff turned in, maybe even a little bit early, whatever. You don't get extra points for turning it in early, but the time and effort you put into this class will directly translate into what you get out of this class. So this is an investment in yourself. So I can't stress that enough. As I tell my students, I work full-time at another university, Shaw University in Raleigh, North Carolina. Getting a degree can help you get a job, but learning what you need to learn will help you keep that job. And I think that's the point that I want to get across. But yes, we can do this. Again, we'll take it just through step by step. And from here, go ahead and enjoy your first module, and we'll see you on the other side.